NIE versus TIE, ano ba talaga yung difference? This words confuses a lot of people, especially those na nagre-research about the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. Kasi honestly, nalito din ako dito before. So let me break it down in a way that maybe mas maintindihan. NIE or Numero de Identificación de Extranjero, ito yung TIN mo or Foreign ID number sa Spain. Kailangan mo siya for when you open a bank account, contracts, taxes, and it usually comes as a PDF document. Ang importante doon is yung number in that PDF. TIE naman or Tarjeta de Identidad de Extranjero is your physical plastic residency card. Ito yung proof na legal resident ka here in Spain. Nandito sa card yung photo mo, NIE number, and validity period ng residency mo and what type. And in the context of the DNV process, your NIE comes into picture during the application or around the time you receive your approval letter. At kapag approve ka na at nandito ka na sa Spain, getting your TIE is one of the first things you need to do. Kasi it formalizes your legal status and give you the physical proof of your residency. The reason this matters is because a lot of people mix up the steps or don't realize they're separate processes and may mga kailangan kang maunang matapos bago mapunta for the next step. So in simple terms, NIE is just a number and TIE is your physical residence card. Kaya for more practical tips like this about navigating the process, definitely just follow my page and thank you so much for watching. Ciao!